Our topic is related rates in Calculus 1, and these are the steps to understand basic related rates problems. First, you need to understand the problem and draw a diagram. The challenge of related rates is to see what the question is really asking you, so drawing the diagram will help you to understand it a little bit better. And the second step is to write equations relating the variables. This will always be functions of time. The variables, the equations over here. And the third and final step to understand relative rates is to differentiate with respect to time. And most of the time, or of the problems, you will have to use the famous chain rule, like to solve the problems.
Okay, so I'm gonna explain problem 53 from related rates from the lab. A spherical hot air balloon is being filled. If the volume of the balloon increases at a rate of 60 feet per second, at what rate does the radius increase when the radius is 10 feet? So, you start with the volume of a sphere, and this is the change in volume with respect of time, which is 60. They're asking us for the rate of change when the radius is 10. So the first thing we need to do is to derivate, and after we derivate, we substitute the 60, and we finally solve for dr dt, which is 60 over 400 pi, and this will give us our answer.
Today we're gonna explain a real-life samples of related rates. So the real-life example is a cone with water. I'm gonna draw it. And here is the water that is 2 centimeters, and the cone is 4 centimeters in height, and there is water falling. So this is the area formula. And so the volume in respect to time is 1 per second. And we're trying to find height in respect to time. So first you need to do the formula of volume. And you have to derivate it. And then we have to find dv in respect to time. Not 12. So now we have to get the formula and replace the numbers. which is this one. So now to replace this one is 1 centimeter. So it is 1. This one is 2, the height. So now we replace in here. So now you move it to this side and it gives you and this is the rate and the answer.